Lung problems. Did you know that breathing problems often have nothing to do with your actual lungs? The lungs are not the root cause of breathing problems, but the solution, if you know how to activate their natural healing abilities. No matter if you are a smoker or used to smoke earlier, your lungs can actually become healthy again. If you don't address this eventually, it will become harder and harder to breathe and your cough will worsen, even if you have quit smoking. Your lungs will have to work harder and harder to help you breathe, making you tired 24/7. Your daily activities will get hampered, and this is when your loved ones start to worry about your health. The good news is that top researchers in India have invented a lung healing remedy made with natural ingredients powered by nanotechnology. Researchers were stunned to find that this remedy can restore any lung damage caused by smoking, regardless of your age or current lung condition. Even 60-year-old patients who smoked for years are now breathing better than ever. Click the button below to learn more about this groundbreaking product that can change your life forever. Remember, no need for a doctor, no need to spend thousands or lakhs of rupees. It's a simple and natural solution that can easily reverse your lung damage. Already over 150,000 people are using this and seeing their lungs get better. Just imagine, no more coughing, no more wheezing, no more shortness of breath. Try this today before it's too late for you.